I'm going to be making a Valentine's Day tray today, and it's in honour of all us singletons out there that will be spending Valentine's Day alone, whether that's by choice or not. So I've cut this decal out on my Cricut machine. I don't need a Valentine, I need pizza. So I'm going to be doing that today. And I saw Tracy from Mini Scenes GB the other day using food sprinkly things in resin, so I thought I'd use these today. And I've mixed up 300ml of Apex high gloss resin, so I'm just going to pop a little bit of that into a separate pot and then add some of these sprinkles into there. And then I'm going to give those a mix up, and then they'll be going round the outside of the tray. I think I might need a bit more resin in there. Right, so I'm just going to pop this around the outside of the tray. It doesn't matter if a few of them do seep over. Just going to pop them in there. Give them a little bit of a tap down. And work my way around. So while I'm doing this, I'd just like to thank everyone that subscribes to my channel. I appreciate every one of you. You're all amazing, and thank you ever so much for all the support you give me. And if you're not subscribing and you would like to do so, then feel free. It doesn't cost anything. And do hit that like button. It does help our channels to grow. Right, I need a bit more of that, so let's just pop a bit more resin into there. And then add a few more sprinkles. Get that mixed up. And then we're going to finish off going around the edge with these. And then we get some resin colour mixed up for the middle section. So have I done enough, or do I still need to do a little bit more? I think I probably need just a little bit more, I think. Let's have a look. Oh, I don't know. I think that would be enough, actually. Just get that last little bit out of there. Pop that down there. Right, that's the outside rim done. So let's just give those a little helping hand into the corners. Right, that will do for that. Right, so for the rest of it, I've got this marine blue from Create and Bloom, and this is a pigment paste, so I'm going to be using this for the background. And I've also got these powders. I got them from Temu, and I'm not sure, I can't remember what they were when I ordered them, to be honest, but looking at them, they look a bit like a coloured version of the crushed crystal. They look a bit like that, so I thought I'd add some of the pigment. Let's just get a stirring stick. Oh, not that one, because I've got sprinkles on that one. Let's get another one. Right, so I'm going to add some of the pigment from Create and Bloom. I'll pop a bit of that in there. And then get that mixed in. Let's move that over to one side for a minute. Won't need that for a little while. Move that up. So I'm going to get that mixed in. And then I'm going to add in some of this blue. So I'm not sure what it would do, but it does look a bit like, see how flyaway it is? It does look like the, I'm going to put quite a bit in, because I don't know what it is, I'm not sure, but it does sort of look like the crushed crystal, but in different colours. So let's see how that looks. Give that a good mix in. Oh, yeah, like that. Right, let's give that a good scrape around the sides. That's got a lovely sparkle to it. Right, okay, so let's get this poured into here now. So I'm just going to pop all of this into here. Oh, that blue sparkle's actually really nice. Oh, I like that. I'll have to try all those other colours that I've got. So we get this filled up. Have I made too much, or have I made enough? Right, I think that would be, I have a little bit there. I'll have to see if I can find something small to pop that last little bit in. So I'm just going to, where's my lighter? There it is. I'm just going to pop those surface bubbles with a long neck lighter. And give it a little squirt with some 99% alcohol. Oops, let's take that out of the way. Right, so we're just going to let that cure up now, and then we'll be back for demold to do the decal on the top. So I'll see you all in a little while, and I'll find something for that little leftover bit. This is all cured up now, and I did have a crafty little bubble that popped up that I didn't notice, so that's that. So we'll demold that, but I did make some little extras with the leftover resin. So I made a little flip-flop key ring, a little seahorse charm and a tassel there. It's a lovely little mould that. So that's that. And then I also made a little phone poppet and put some whatever they're called, charm things on there. So that's a little phone poppet that goes on the back of your phone, so you can hold your phone. There's that hair on there. So that's those two. Right, let's get this demolded now then and see how this is looking. So we pop this out. A little bit of overspill to sort out at the back. I'll do that once it's hard. So I'll just pop the mould back in the other way. You don't want to leave them too long in the wrong way. So, ooh, that's got a lovely sparkle to it. Liking that. Got a couple of little stray things there, but that's okay. And there we've got the little rim. I think my mould's a bit warped. Look. Is it just me? Oh, it does look warped, doesn't it? Right, so let's Let's get this decal on here, shall we? So I did notice I've got some dog hair under there, but I'm hoping it's just on the actual backing tape. So let's get this off. I've not used my Cricut in so long. It's been under my bed for about a year, I think, but yeah, hopefully I've done this right. So let's get this out of there. So I don't need a Valentine, I just need pizza. So we pop that in the middle there. And I can't find my little Cricut squeegee, so I'm just going to use a bit of broken off lollipop stick. That will do. Put that on there. And then hopefully peel that off and that will stay on there. Quite impressed that I managed to actually cut some vinyl with my Cricut. I really need to use it more. Maybe I will now. Maybe I'll start using it a bit more now. I need to order some more vinyl, so maybe I should do that. And because this is vinyl and not a DTF sticker, I do need to, sorry about the noise, I do need to make up some resin to go on the top to seal that in. So, oh, I like that. I'm really pleased with that. What do you think? Right, so let's make up some resin and we'll give that a top coat. I've given this a top coat of resin. I didn't think you needed to see that, so I thought I'd just show you that all finished now. So that's got a lovely finish, and I do like that that blue powder that I put in. So that's our tray done. Oh, and while it was curing, I put it on the heat mat, and then I just weighed down the top, so it's nice and flat now. So thank you ever so much for watching my video today, and stay tuned for the pictures at the end, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye for now.
I don't need a Valentine, I need pizza, pepperoni dreams that they never tease ya. Love is overrated, mozzarella's true, a cheesy love affair that sticks like glue. You keep your chocolates and your sappy lines, I'll take a pizza with some extra time. Candlelight dinners just ain't my style. Give me a pie and we'll chat for a while. I don't need a Valentine, I need pizza, pepperoni dreams, yeah, they never tease ya. Love is overrated, mozzarella's true, a cheesy love affair that sticks like glue. You keep your chocolates and your sappy lines, I'll take a pizza with some extra time. Can